You may have found this video because you're wondering, how do I get rich and enjoy life? Or how do I become a millionaire? And I'm going to tell you the secrets that I learned as a teller, going from teller to investment banker. Hi, I'm Askwhoman Writer, and I've written the book, How to Get Rich and Enjoy It. And I want to share with you these unknown or not very well known secrets that I learned as a teller. When people would come up to my window, there was no hidden veil. I could tell whether they were dressed nice or well if they had money. And surprisingly enough, some people had really nice clothes, sometimes they didn't. And you could never tell on the outward appearance how much money someone had, but what you could tell is if that screen said that they had commas in their bank account. And I asked those people, what is your secret? And before I get into the secret of how people earn and how people have wealth, I want to tell you why I was on this journey. See, I grew up in middle America, and I was reading this book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, that someone introduced me to. And this book kind of unlocked my brain in secrets that, you need to acquire and accumulate assets that generate income. When I asked those people, what do you do, was the same thing Robert Kiyosaki was teaching. And so I would ask them, sir, ma'am, what do you do? And this is what they would say. They would always say, I'm a business owner, or I invest in the stock market or real estate. 95% of people who have a lot of wealth do one of those three things. And so if you found this blog, if you found this video, please subscribe, and I will be sharing with you my journey of how I went from teller to investment banker and how I'm still on that journey, testing out ideas so that you don't have to go through the trials and the problems of, walking out on that invisible bridge. I want to walk on that bridge for you and then show you exactly what I've done. I'll tell you the things that you shouldn't do and things that you should do based on real life experiences. I hope you enjoy this video. Subscribe to the blog. It's absolutely free, and have a great day.